Hello guys, welcome all of you. Today we will discuss number systems. So, types of number systems: binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So, what is binary number system? The base of binary number system is 2. We will see in previous lecture that what is base or radix. That is total numbers present in the number system is called base or radix. So the base of binary number system is 2. The digits used are 0 or 1. Examples are shown here. Next is octal number system. The base of octal number system is 8. That is, the total numbers are present in this number system is 8. So what it is? The digits used are 0 to 7. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Examples are shown here. So this is the table representation of decimal, octal and binary numbers. Here decimal numbers 0 to 7 and octal number 0 to 7 represents corresponding binary number. We have for 0 decimal number, binary number is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then for 1 it is 0, 0, 0, 1. So how we will write this number? See, we have one code 8 4 2 1. I give you information about this later on. Only still that's know that 8421 is code, and we will write the binary number using this code. So for 0 decimal number, how will we write? 0 not present in this 8421 code. Therefore, we will write 0, 0, 0 and 0. For 1, here the leftmost bit is 1 here. Therefore, only this is 1. Other will be 0. For 2 will be this. Therefore, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. For 3, this is 0, 0, this 2 and this 1 will be 3. Therefore, 1, 1. Like that, we will write for all decimal numbers binary representation of the decimal number. Next, decimal number system. We all know the base of decimal number system is 10. That is, digits are used 0 to 9. Examples are shown here. Then hexadecimal number systems. The base of decimal number system is 16. Digits are 0 to 15. But here in the number systems of digital electronics, 0 to 9 numbers are shown, as we will know. But for the 10, see here, for 10 we will show it A. For 11, we will represent 11 like P. For 12, C. For 13, it is D. For 14, it is E. And for the 15, it is F. So for hexadecimal number system, we will represent the numbers from 10 to 15 as A to F. And examples are shown here. And this table represents the decimal, hexadecimal and the binary numbers. And we will discuss in the last slide or the previous slide that how we will write the decimal numbers in binary form. That is by help of 8421 code. So that's it. The decimal, hexadecimal, binary and the octal number systems. Thank you.